What's up guys, Garrett here with Deranged, and as you can see behind me, we got a project going on. Check it out. All right, as you can see, we're totally neck deep in this ProXp build and all the stuff that we're doing to it. So as you can see, I have everything off of this machine to basically get everything installed that we need installed. I have to say that I've taken apart a lot of machines at this point. I thought my Terex 4 was the worst. I'm gonna rank the Pro at the very top of the list now. It's not the easiest to take apart. Throw in the comments below, maybe you disagree, but there's a million things on this thing. It is not easy to take apart. At least the Ultimate isn't. With all the different lights, all the different little things, there's tons of crap. I mean, it's a lot nicer fit and finish, but it's not that easy to take apart. But I do have to give a bunch of bonus points to Polaris in the rear. So right here, these come off with quick release disconnects, pop off this whole section within a matter of 2 seconds. And then, as much as you know, the bed right there, it literally goes in, snaps in 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and that's it for the bed. So the bed is awesome, that part's awesome. By far the best setup I've seen to get to your motor, spark plugs, all that kind of stuff. You're there in a matter of like literally seconds. It's awesome. Other than that though, up there, freak dude. I didn't know what I got myself into. So anyways, this is gonna be awesome. This is all stuff that you guys can do at home. That's the key with this, is to just buy a bunch of stuff that you guys can do at home. And there's a bunch of other cool stuff getting ready to go on this thing, but honestly, we cannot get a hold of the parts. So we were really hoping to have this out at UTV Takeover to be guiding and out for people to see, but it's just not gonna happen. You just can't. There's certain parts we're waiting on and we just can't get them. So we've been waiting on them for some time now. So that's the way it goes. It's been a crazy time, different than any other time I remember. So it's just been different. So anyways, we'll jump in some more of this video and show you guys what we got going on. But before we do, let's jump in to something I recorded a little bit ago when I went and picked up a new set of tires and rims for the Pro. As you know, we already put a new set of 32s. We decided to go a different direction. Because of the different direction we decided to go a little bit ago, so it only made sense to do something different. So let's check those out. Guys, so we decided to make some changes to the XP Pro in the middle of our build. Not a lot. We did try to decide. We had to decide exactly what we wanted to do as far as the changes went. So we did decide to make a change with the tires and wheels. So I just arrived here at Goose Off-Road. So they're at the storefront. If you are in the area looking at buying some new tires and rims or whatever else you need for your UTV, check them out. They're right here in St. George, Utah. Goose Off-Road. Hey, good, how are you? All right, guys, so here are the new tires and rims we decided to go with. Yes, we got rid of our 32-inch, 15-inch methods sitting on the motor hammer tires. We just decided to go a different route. We're going a different route with this build. So we decided to go from the 4.3 offset to a 5.2 offset. So we put a post out there on Facebook because we wanted this set up, and Goose Off-Road answered us and got this set up for us in a matter of days. So what we have here is the Chicane RS. They are 35 by 950s, sitting on 15-inch rims, and we can't wait to get them out and up. They turned out awesome. All right, so let us know on the tire setup. Yeah, we really like the machine look. but there just wasn't a lot of options when we decided to go with the 5.2 offset that was actually in stock, or just not many options in general. So that's why we ended up switching them up. They are the gun metal color, but I think they turned out awesome. And as I can see, there's the front, and of course they will rub. This is why we have bigger plans. And the rear. So they just turned out really, really nice. So we dig them, love the color, we love the machine look, but they look great on the car. Just love the whole black with the gunmetal color. And let us know in the comments below what you guys think of the new tire package. All right, so the first thing we are gonna go ahead and switch out and get that done right away is we went ahead and bought the new Evo charge tube. So we're gonna be replacing the stock one with the new Evo one. We've heard a few different things of issues with the stock one. So we're gonna go ahead and get that out of the way and get that changed up right away. So this is the Evo Evolution Power Sport one, and should work out pretty nice. All right, so the next item we're gonna run, and by far I highly recommend it to put it in your machine, is the Viper machine shift gate. So we sell these on our website. I actually have one in the KRX. It works extremely well. So we decided to put one in our ProXp build. This is something that I highly recommend. It's all machine built right here in Utah. They do a great job with their product, quality finish, all that kind of stuff. This actually comes with a heat boot. Also comes with a plastic insert piece so nothing gets scraped up. The full shift part, and then also the Viper handle. It says RZR on one side, Viper logo on the other. Everything's really high quality. You guys need to check it out on our website. This is an awesome upgrade if you do a lot of rock crawling as well. This is what you want in your machine. So we have them for the Can-Am X3, we have them for the KRX, we have them for the Pro, we have them for the Turbo S. So check them out. They're awesome, and they're really high quality. All right, and one more thing I want to cover before I wrap this video up is the awesome bus bar that Polaris put in their machine. So went to Amazon, I got rocker switches, nightlight rocker switches. Those are the ones we like to run. We'll leave a link in the description below to those off Amazon, and a link to these quick connects for the bus bar on the RZR. So these work extremely well. They just plug right in, wire everything you need up, make it really simple. But here's the bus bar. It is awesome. It's wired really nicely. So you just take the covers, you unplug those, you plug in those quick connectors that I bought off Amazon, and you're good to go, and you can wire up your accessories. I'll be honest with you, the bus bar on this thing is night and day better than the KRX. The KRX is okay, but it's kind of small, kind of dinky compared to the ProXp. So I'm sure this might be something similar that they run in most of the RZRs now. I don't know, but it's a sweet setup. So like I said, I have those quick disconnects that wire up your accessories. They'll be in the description below as well with the link. If you guys are looking for those, that's what I'd highly recommend. Make it really simple and easy for the install. So, all right guys, well, we got a lot of plans for this, like I said before. So one last time, check it out. Everything's been stripped. We'll get ready to wire everything up. And next week will be a fun week. And then we also have a UTV takeover. So we will be guiding a couple trails on Friday and Saturday. So if you see us over at UTV takeover, come over and say hi. We'll be all around and about, just enjoying our time. Wishing we had our ProXp there. But it's just not gonna happen this time. So that is what it is. So anyways, that's it. Make sure whatever you guys pack in, you pack out. This is Garrett with Deranged Off-Road. And this is the beginning, pretty much the beginning of our ProXp build. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, thanks for liking and subscribing. We'll check you on the next one.